Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 11 with a cracked display, and I'm here with David to perform the repair for us. The back is also busted, so let's go. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna clean off the screws at the bottom beside the lightning port. We're gonna unscrew the two screws so that we can release the screen. And now we can remove the broken display. It's got a tempered glass, but it's all scratched up and cracked as well. It didn't help the phone when it was dropped. As you can see, it's very easy to remove the display, so the adhesives are also very messy, so that means that this is not the original screen for this smartphone. It has been opened before, so maybe the screen or the battery were replaced. We're gonna detach the connector for the display. We're gonna copy the data from the old display. So people tend to do these repairs by themselves without knowing that you can copy the Face ID data from your old screen, save it in this device. So it's like a copy paste. It's gonna be saved temporarily, and now we can write it to the replacement display. So it's just like cloning your old display. As you can see there, the data is being written. You have to wait for it. So it just works on certain iPhone models. So newer iPhones doesn't have this support for this copy machine. The iPhone 11 fortunately has that support. We're gonna remove some components from the old display and transplant them to the new one. This is the replacement display. We're gonna remove all the tapes and gaskets that we don't need for the repair. So mostly they are sensors or front cameras. And now we're gonna perform the installation of the replacement display to the board. So far so good. The iPhone 11 is a relatively simpler model compared to the 12, 13, and 14, being older, but it's still the most practical design for me. It looks like an iPhone 6 without the home screen, but it works. That's David. Cameras are all working, so we can now proceed to the full reassembly. We're gonna attach the cover plate for the connectors. We're gonna put back the screws, all of them. Some iPhones will not turn on if you forget one screw or you put the screw on the wrong hole. We're gonna test it for now. Face ID is not working because David is not the owner of the phone, but it's now activated. We're gonna screw this new display in. There's still some scratches on the sides because it's an aluminum housing, but David is gonna do his best to restore this smartphone in a working condition. Also at the back, we can't really replace it directly without disassembling the whole thing, but we can cover it up with tape. So we're gonna show you how we can do that. So David here is gonna measure everything up, and then we're gonna install it. It's like a very translucent frosted plastic. So it's designed for the iPhone 11. There's some cutouts, and we're just gonna put this just like how we put a flexible tempered tape or glass on the screen. As you can see there, it's much safer to hold now. If the owner decides to put a case on it, it's gonna also work. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And David has successfully revived this iPhone 11. And we'll see you again next time, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.